Today, we're going to discuss the dictation function of an iPhone and how this feature can be beneficial within an internship setting. For example, you can use the dictation feature to record personal notes or to write down what your supervisor is saying in a lecture, or to record voice memos and even use these as reminders for yourself. First, in order to enable it, go into your settings, scroll down and click on the General tab. Look down and click on where it says Keyboard. Scroll down a little bit more and enable dictation. You will see that depending on the number of languages you've added to your phone, those are the languages in which your dictation function will work. In order to use the dictation function, open the app with which you'd like to use it, such as Notes, and click on the little microphone on the bottom right of your phone. If you click and hold, you can choose the language in which it will dictate for you. Then simply say what you would like to say, and your phone will write down the notes. Another way to use the dictation function is to obtain permission from your supervisor to leave it on so that it can work as a scribe for you if that may be something that is beneficial for you. Once you're done, simply click on the microphone button again and it will stop writing down what it hears. As you can see, the major drawback is that it does not really include punctuation, and so at the end, you will end up with a large block of text, which you will have to modify yourself.